Let's now linger a little bit on this matter of senior counsels and senior advocates that will be representing key parties tomorrow at the Supreme Court for that presidential petition. And of course, I'm going to focus on some of the key parties because they are the ones that have been allotted the most time by the Supreme Court in that pre-trial conference today. Let's focus on some of the senior counsels, senior advocates representing the main petitioners here, Raila Amolo Odinga and Martha Karua. I'm talking about senior counsel James Orengo. This should be his fourth time before that court, once in 2013. Also representing Raila Odinga twice in 2017, and he's back again in action tomorrow together with senior advocate Paul Mwangi, who also has been there before, those number of times, senior advocate Jackson Awele, senior counsel Philip Murgor, and also Velma Maumo, amongst others. They'll be the ones representing this team, and you can see that experience there. And the interesting thing is, for some of these senior advocates and senior counsels, this time around they'll be representing different parties from others they were representing back in 2017. Let's focus on the teams that will be representing the President-elect William Samoei Ruto and the Deputy President-elect Rigathi Gachagua. Senior counsel Fred Ngatia. He was in action back in 2013 for the then President-elect Uhuru Kenyatta, and he also played a role in 2017 together with Katwa Kigen, both very prominent, but of course supporting behind the scenes there. Back in 2017, we had Kithure Kindiki, a professor, and of course senior counsel Kioko Kilukumi as well. You can expect them in action tomorrow. Remember, the courts gave some guidelines. They want, for some of the key parties, only 4 counsels. Some of these teams submitted anywhere between 40 to 50 names, and the court had to give those directions. So I haven't mentioned all the advocates involved because none of them will be allowed to appear in that main court apart from these main 4. The others will have to appear in another court, court number 1. Let's talk about the IEBC and Wafula Chebukati, the chairperson of the IEBC. And of course, representing the IEBC, senior counsel Kamau Karori, together with Eric Gumbo, and representing the chairperson, Wafula Chebukati, is Professor Githu Muigai. Now, this time round, IEBC has more than 10 experienced lawyers, some of whom have represented the IEBC in the past, including in that BBI matter. And this is a high-stakes game, not just for the legal minds involved, but also the finances involved as well. Let me give you a quick statistic. Back in 2017, the IEBC actually incurred a bill of 202 million Kenya shillings because of the legal teams that they had to contract for those 2 presidential petitions. So there's a lot at stake over the next couple of days. And here at Citizen TV, we'll be giving you everything you need to know about the activities there at the Supreme Court with that presidential petition as and when we get that information.